Hello, my wonderfuls. We are here to do another review. This time we're taking a look at subtracting fractions, particularly mixed fractions. So let's get started. We're always gonna talk ourselves through our problems, right? Well, not those type of problems, but math problems. Yes? So, self, what is the first thing I need to do when subtracting fractions? Find a common denominator. Yes, very good. You find a common denominator. So I'm going to get my problem all set up. What is that common denominator? If you say 12, yes, you are correct. So 12 is our common denominator. Yay. Now let's take a look at a denominator. So 2 times what number will give me 12? If you say 6, you're correct. So we're going to multiply the numerator by 6 because that's what we multiply the 2 by to get that 12. Now let's take a look. 12 times what number will give me 12? Yes, 1. So we're going to times the numerator by 1 because 12 times 1 is 12. Yes? All right, let's move forward. Now, I was going to point this out. Those whole numbers, okay? I'm just going to highlight it for you so you know not to forget those bad boys. All right, there we go. So now let's go ahead and put it all together. So 6 times 1 is 6. Good. Bring my subtraction sign down. 7 times 1 is 7. Uh-oh. Got a problem. Got a situation. All right, what's going on here? Oh, I can hear those little voices. Oh, it's not possible. You have 6 and you need to take 7 away? Ooh, no, not possible. So what do? Can't hear you. Borrow. That's right. So we're going to borrow from which number? My 9. Look at you. Yeah, so let's borrow. Take that away. So I'm going to take 1 away from my 9, and my 9 is going to become a 8. Yes. Very good. Now I have a whole number, that one that I just borrowed, so I need to break that up into a fraction. So what do? We know that that fraction is broken down, my denominator, in how many parts? Very good, 12 parts. So I have 12 parts. So I am going to, 12 over 12 will give me that whole, but I need to break it up in my fraction whole. So I am going to add that fraction whole right next to my 6. And that will tell us what we need to do. That will give us enough. So what am I going to do with the 6 and the 12? Add. Very good. So you're going to add 6 plus 12. Very good. So what is 6 plus 12? 18. Very good. So I'm just going to write it down to the bottom. So 6 plus 12 is 18. So I'm going to have 18, my new number. Bring my subtraction sign down. And now I have my 7. Yes? Good. So let's go ahead and do the math. You have 18 and you need to take 7 away. What would that leave you with? 11. Very good. So I have 11. Slide my denominator over. 12. Now let's go back to a whole number. So it's no longer 9. Remember we borrowed. So it's 8. 8, and you need to take 7 away, and that will leave you with 1. Very well. So what is our final answer? 1 and 11/12. Remember, you can always pause, rewind, rewatch as many times as you like.